Hi, this is Manuel again, and I want to thank you for taking out time from your busy schedule to check out my system. I'm very excited to show you this system because of the potentials the system has to make you and I money. Using only one income stream in this system, many people have been known to make huge money within a very few days of starting. The fact that many people have made money with the system is very exciting to me because it shows me that the system is working and is duplicatable. When you scroll down below this video, you are going to see many testimonials after testimonials after testimonials of people that have made money with just one program in the system. Most made the money without the system, but they had to work very hard at getting people to join them in their program. Some use this system in the beta testing stage to make money very easily. And these are people from different kinds of background. Regular people like me and you, and they are producing incredible results. I do not guarantee that you make exactly the same amounts. You could make more or you can make less. It depends on what you do with the information that I give you here. But this system is a turnkey solution. That means that it's a done-for-you system. The system that will not require you to create all kinds of videos, websites, blogs, or to write emails and create products and all those kind of things. Those things are well and good, but if it is what you want, then this system is not for you. You should go and buy courses and implement the 1,000 steps that they will ask you to implement. This particular system is for people who do not have the necessary resources to build their own company. Those who do not want to recruit, those who do not have the savvy internet marketing skills, those who would rather have it easy, where a proven system does all the work for them. If you don't want to work 10 hours a day, sitting in front of a computer or working for your smartphone, you don't have to. You can do this thing completely part-time, and you can do it from any part of the world. Why? Because it is the system that does all the works, all the heavy lifting for you. In fact, it is me and my videos that will be doing all the works, just as you are experiencing now. When the person is sending a link to pass it through the system and is convinced and join the program, you are going to make all the commissions, which is incredible. Just scroll down below this video and check out every testimonial and see if it is the right fit for you or not. After you do that, there will be buttons throughout the page for you to go check out the exclusive webinar I prepared for you. The webinar will explain exactly how the system works. You get to make 100% commissions. You have to create products. There are multiple income streams where you get to make different commissions from the same person. Pretty much everything is set up for you, and you'll be able to do this work from anywhere. Make commissions from anywhere and be able to say bye-bye to money worries forever. I know that a lot of people are looking for something like this, and guess what? That's what you have here. That is what this system can potentially do for you. So if you're excited about that, then I invite you to scroll down below and watch all the testimonial videos, all the testimonies and everything that's on this page. And if it is the right fit for you, then click on any one of the buttons and go check out the webinar. This should be the most enlightening webinar you have probably ever seen online. Again, I know I'm being biased because I'm the one that created it, but at the same time, I'm being very serious when I say that the webinar will open your eye to what is possible when it comes to making money online. Also, the system is simple and easy. I want to share it with you because I know the kind of financial impact it will have on your life. You will surely give me the testimonies in no time. So go ahead, check it out. If it is something that you think will work for you and you're interested in, I look forward to welcoming you inside the system and helping you set it up so you can start using it as soon as possible, possibly today. Setting up the system takes just a few steps. Unlike most other things you have tried in the past where they give you 1,000 steps to follow, I'll provide you with a step-by-step checklist we will make sure that everything is set up and you are in position and ready to go with your income streams. That is it for this video. I'm super excited because I know what it feels like to be out there looking for things that could potentially work for you. It took me about 7 years to find the winning formula. I want to shorten the learning curve for you. So scroll down below and watch all the testimonials, and then click over and watch the webinar. Please watch it from the beginning until the end, because it will explain everything that you need to know about the system and how it works. And if it is the right fit for you, you will know at the end of the webinar. That's it for this video. I look forward to seeing you inside the system. Bye for now. See you.